receives blood from the body. Right auricle receives impure blood or deoxygenated blood from the body through these two vena cava, that is superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. Superior vena cava collect the blood from superior part of the body, while inferior vena cava collect the blood from inferior part of the body. Then next, that is the left auricle. Left auricle receives pure blood from the lungs through 4 pulmonary veins. Veins always carry deoxygenated blood, but exception is only pulmonary veins carries oxygenated blood from the lungs and pour it into the left auricle. Auricles are called as receiving chamber. At the time of diastole, 2 auricle receives here impure blood and here pure blood. In between 2 auricles there is the presence of a partition that is called as interauricular septum. Below these 2 chambers, that is called as ventricles. 2 chambers are present at lower side, that is called as ventricles. Ventricles are thicker than auricles. Wall of ventricle thicker than auricle. Here ventricles consist divided into 2 ventricles by interventricular septum, and the wall of left ventricle is thicker than wall of right ventricle. Why? What is the reason behind it? It has to. Left ventricle consists pure blood, and that pure blood supplied to whole body through this aorta, and to give more and more pressure on the blood so as to blood can reaches to each and every part of the body. The wall of left ventricle is thicker than right ventricle. 2 ventricles are completely divided by interventricular septum. Therefore, pure blood and impure blood does not get mixed. Here, right ventricle receives impure blood from right auricle when there is a contraction of auricles. Right auricle pour which type of blood in the right ventricle? Impure or deoxygenated. While left auricle pours which type of blood in the left ventricle? Pure. When 2 auricles get contracted. After that, here 2 ventricles. When both the ventricles get contracted, what happens? Impure blood from right ventricle enters into pulmonary artery. While pure blood from the left ventricle enters into aorta and supplied to the body. Both the ventricles are distributing chambers. Why ventricles are called as distributing chamber or propelling chamber? Because they distribute or propel. Here, in which type of blood is present? Impure blood to the lungs for purification or oxygenation, while left ventricle propels or distribute which type of blood to the body? Pure blood. To complete body through which aorta? Here main aorta is there, and that aorta supplies blood to the body as well as to the wall of the heart. And that wall of the heart also gets supplied with pure blood, and that is coronary sinus that supplies pure blood to the heart, and at the opening of coronary sinus there is the presence of Sebacean valve. Here 2 ventricles are divided by this interventricular septum. Ventricles are also called as propelling chamber because they propel or distribute blood to the body. From right ventricle to the lungs for purification or oxygenation, and from the left ventricle to the body through this aorta. Here, internally, human heart consists 3 types of main wall and 2 types of walls present in the right wall of the right auricle. Here, first type of wall, that is the tricuspid wall, present at the opening of right auricle and right ventricle, or right auricle and right ventricle junction is guarded by which type of wall? Tricuspid wall. 3 plaques are there, therefore it is called as tricuspid, cusp-like structure, half moon shape. Then next, that is the bicuspid wall or mitral wall present at the opening of left auricle and left ventricle. Bicuspid wall is also called as which type of wall? Mitral wall. Bicuspid wall is also called as mitral wall. Then next, that is the opening of this pulmonary artery and aorta guarded by semi-lunar walls. Semi-lunar walls, semi-half, lunar moon. Half moon shaped walls are present at the entry of pulmonary artery and aorta. What is the function of valves? At the time of opening, at the time of systole and diastole, that valves perform very important function. That is, they get closed. When two auricles get opened at that or get relaxed, at that time these valves get closed. And when these two auricles get contracted, valves get open so that blood from auricle enters into the ventricle. It is the opening and closing of valves keeps blood flow in unidirection. That is, blood flow in one direction only. Why? That is the opening. That is the reason opening and closing of this bicuspid and tricuspid and bicuspid wall takes place here. Semilunar valves also keeps blood flow in one direction. Next type of wall, that is called as Thebasian wall. Thebasian wall present at the opening of coronary sinus. Coronary sinus supplies pure blood to whole part of the heart wall. That is the next part, that is the next type of wall, that is called as Thebasian wall. Thebasian wall present, Eustachian wall present at the opening of inferior vena cava. Two walls are there, Thebasian wall and Eustachian wall present in the wall of right auricle. Thebasian wall present at the opening of coronary sinus and Eustachian wall present at the opening of inferior vena cava. Here internally human heart perfectly shows four chambers. Upper two chambers called as auricle, lower two chambers are called as ventricle. In between two auricular, interauricular septum is there. In between two ventricles, interventricular septum is there. Right auricle receives impure blood from the all parts of the body through superior vena cava and inferior vena cava, while left auricle shows pure blood or receives pure blood from the lungs through pulmonary veins. Four pulmonary veins. There are how many types of valves present in the human heart? 5 types. First type tricuspid, second type bicuspid, next semilunar, and next Thebasian and Eustachian valves are there. What is the function of valves? It keeps the blood flow in one direction. It prevents the backflow of blood. This is the function of valves. This is all about internal structure of human heart. The next part.